Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Fifth Third Bank easy access step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Fifth Third Bank. Press the enter key to navigate to the website. Once the site is loaded, locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Personal Banking from the options provided. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields to enter your user ID and password. Carefully type in your user ID in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the corresponding field. Before proceeding, double-check your entries for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the login button to access your account. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, click on the respective link provided. Follow the prompts to retrieve or reset your login information. If you encounter any issues during the login process, look for help or support options on the website. This concludes the login process for Fifth Third Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.